That is cool. I wonder what kind he is. He likes you. Oh, oh.
That little tongue is just all over my hand and moving. Isn't that weird?
Do you not feel it?
Nope.
Do you feel him at all on you?
Just, I can feel his legs just barely. What's that, isn't it something?
That is weird. He likes you. I ain't never seen the like, have you?
Mm-mm.
Don't go fast. Don't scare him.
I'm going to put that on YouTube.
Weird. His wings are beautiful. Look at them. And he hasn't offered to even fly away once. He's just sitting there. That is so weird. Ain't it?
Yeah, it is.
Usually they will run from the human, you know? Oh, he's walking again. Turn your hand over. Go slow. My God, you're moving everywhere, and he still ain't offered to go, has he? Do you feel him?
Yeah, I do. He's just walking up. I guess he's getting a salt or sweat or something. I don't know.
Might be. He seems to like you a lot, don't he? Huh?
I just wonder. Makes me wonder.
Wonder about what?
Ain't one of my kids.
Not me.
Reincarnated or an angel, you never know. I've never seen one come up and land like that. Now his tongue's ringing. That's back out. What about that?
You think it could be one of your kids saying hi to you?
I don't know.
Oh.
There he goes.
Oops, he's gone all the way now.